will show you total 6 colleges notification for the post of professor, associate professor, assistant professor as well as non-teaching staff in various colleges across the India. Okay, so let's start with that first college. The name is Chalapathy Institute of Engineering and Technology, so autonomous. Faculty requirement. So applications are invited for the teaching position in all level in the department of CE, CSE, CSIT, CSE, AI, CSE, DS, CSE, AI and ML, CSE Cyber Security, ECE, EEE, Mathematics, Physics and English departments. Qualification and experiences as per AICTE UGC norms. Postgraduates and PhD from national institutions shall be given preference. So applications are also invited for lab technicians and computer operators. So interested candidates may send their updated resume along with scanned copy of certificate to their email on or before 31st July 2021, and also require trainers in communication skill, quantitative and verbal aptitude. For more details visit their official website. So this notification is came on 26th July 2021. So you have to remember that this is basically email. You can send your email your updated resume on or before 31st July. Okay, now coming to that next college's notification, that is MA Educational Institute. Okay, require qualified experienced candidate for the following post: principal, HOD as well as lecturer. So qualification as per NCT norms, only MA candidate to apply. Mail your resume to this email ID. Okay, now coming to the next college, that is Sri Bahini Institute of Science and Technology. This is basically walk-in interview that will be held on 29th and 30 July 10 AM onwards. So professor, associate professor in the department of civil, EEE, mechanical, ECE, CSE, MBA, SNH and system administrator. Salary is not constant for deserving candidate. Interested candidates should attend the interview at college campus with all the original certificate and 2 set of Xerox copies. So if you want more details, just dial this above 2 phone numbers. Okay, now coming to the next notification, that is SR University. This is also basically walk-in interview for the post of assistant professor in the department of computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence, specialization machine learning, deep neural network, natural language processing, data science, big data analytics, security, cyber security, distributed computing. So date 31st July 2021. So venue SRIX block, reporting time 9 AM to 10 AM, written test in programming skill followed by interview for selected candidate. So deserving candidate will give the higher salary. Okay, so if you want more details, just dial this 2 number or you can contact through email. And you have to remember that the walk-in interview held on 31st July 2021. Okay, now coming to next, the Sundardip group of institution. Invited application for professor, associate professor, assistant professor in the department of CSE, mechanical, ECE, EEE, CE. Also requirement for the management, law, hotel management, architecture, okay, pharmacy. So qualification as per norms. Salary will be not constant for deserving candidate. Free accommodation facility. You may email a copy to this email ID or you can contact through this number. Okay, so now coming to the last college notification, that Bhagdevi Institute of Technology and Science. So here are the designation: professor, associate professor, assistant professor. So here are the department having vacancy, that EEE, CSE, CSE, English, Physics, Chemistry, Mechanical. So qualification as per norms. Okay, apply giving all the necessary information above to the information, phone ID, recent passport size, all necessary documents to your claim should be uploaded along with a resume to this email ID. This email ID on or before 7th August 2021. So you have to remember, this is, you can apply through email and last date is 7th August 2021. Okay, so if you want more notification like that, just like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any query, just comment on the below video section and I will definitely reply your comment. Okay, thank you.